We are following some breaking news at the moment. It is coming out of the United States from TMZ, which is a celebrity website, but they are reporting at the moment that basketball star Kobe Bryant has died in a helicopter crash, along with a few others who were in that helicopter at the time. It was in California. It is shocking news, and so we are watching that very closely at the moment. So it's just something that is being carried by TMZ, which has a history of being quite correct. And Kobe Bryant, one of the most famous athletes, basketball stars in history. He's got scoring records. He won many titles with the LA Lakers. He also won an Oscar a couple of years ago for a sporting documentary, a short that he did. So he's someone who is worth millions and millions of dollars. He is one of the greatest basketballers of all time.
Where Kobe Bryant has been a resident for many, many years. We're going to see if we can join her now live on the air. Joy, are you able to hear us okay?
Yeah, I hear you. I mean, this is just devastating. I mean, his neighbors are stopping. They're saying, we can't believe this happened. We have had a few fans who have shown up here already, and I want to show you over to the left-hand side. A couple came and just placed a dozen roses right here in front of the subdivision where Kobe Bryant lives. Obviously, they're not letting anyone in. Right now, we're just seeing, we've seen 3 Newport police cars that have gone through here. We don't know if they're coming in because of this or if they're here for another reason. But really, this is just devastating for so many people. I just talked to a man who was standing across the street who lives in the neighborhood. He said, I just had to come here. I woke up. I heard the news. I had to come and just be here to almost pay respects. He was wearing Kobe's old high school jersey, of all things. And then another man was here wearing the number 8. I mean, Kobe Bryant is just as synonymous with the Lakers as anybody else is, and really in NBA history. And, you know, I spent several years working for ESPN and covering Kobe and interviewing him numerous times in the locker room or there at the facility. And he is just, I mean, he's a force, right?
Wow. An example of the emotions that so many people around the league are feeling right now. That is a shot of LeBron James. After the Lakers game in Philadelphia last night, they stayed in the Philadelphia area. They flew back this morning, and they learned of the news while they were on their way back to L.A. As Om Young Masuk, our ESPN reporter in Los Angeles, reported earlier. The entire plane was just devastated by the news, as you might expect them to be. And there is LeBron, less than 12 hours after he passed Kobe Bryant for 3rd on the NBA's all-time scoring list in his 2nd season with the Lakers before he gets back to L.A. One of his mentors passes away in a helicopter crash in the Calabasas area.
What a sad day, what a sad day. What a sad day. That's why anything can happen at any time. I was just talking about it on Facebook with some people. It's like, yikes, that is a surprise. Man, it's such a tragedy. You know, here's some stats. Here's his NBA stats right now I'm going to read off. And then my son's going to give a little dedication to him. And we got a Lakers song coming on. Kobe Bryant was born August 23rd, 1978. He didn't even get to go to college. He went to the NBA straight from high school, Lower Merion High School. In his stats, he had 5 championships, 15 record for all NBA teams, 12 for all defensive teams. He was a slam dunk challenge his rookie year, I believe, in 96-97 season. I was still in high school then. 4 All-Star Game MVP, season MVP 2007-8 season. 25 times he had 50-point games. 5 different times he had 60-point games. And he's the Lakers' all-time scorer. Finals MVP twice, 2009 and 10. He was with Shaq in that mighty three-peat team. Scoring titles 2006, 2007, 2 Olympic medals, 2008 in Beijing and 2012 in London. Now he was averaging 25.5 points a game, 5.3 rebounds a game, 4.8 assists, and 1.5 steals. That is a legend right there. That's stats right there. That is top 5 all-time basketball players. Hopefully Kobe's going to get a recognition during the Super Bowl, which I know he is. He's got to be on the cover of 2K21 that's coming out, or at least in the clouds. It's sad, so sad for his 2 other daughters, one in the stomach of his wife, and his family, friends, and everybody around Los Angeles and everywhere. Just, we're feeling it up here. Everyone's got their Sacramento jersey, Kobe Bryant jerseys on right now, 24 in dedication to him. It's just so sad that this happened in the helicopter crash, there was 9 people aboard. Another basketball player and a parent was on there. You got the helicopter operator, probably the mechanic was in there, and some other people. That's just 9 people that just lost their life. And his 13-year-old daughter, Gianna. That's so sad. It's going to hit people. You heard LeBron out there. He heard about it. MJ's hearing about it. Everyone is just devastated right now. I believe I heard it as soon as I got on Facebook this morning. I don't know if it was like 9 or 10. I just seen someone post, and it was like, 10 minutes ago, Kobe had gotten a helicopter crash, and I was just hoping it was just a lie. I was hoping people were just playing around. By the way, can you shame on whoever is making bad comments about him? Or people always got their little rude comments to say. People are saying, some people will say prejudice stuff, some people will say dumb stuff. My son showed me some. He's going to tell you what they said or what's going on with the message that you got.
So yeah, I was on this app. It's something like it's called something. They said that someone said something hurtful to Kobe Bryant, and I was like, who said that? Like, why would you say something like that? It's just sad that he died, man.
And how do you feel about that? Like, just like the surprise, huh?
Yeah.
People are just have their comments to say and all that.
Rudeness.
Is there any kind of message you want to give out to someone? Because we got 8 minutes coming up. We're going to play a song in his memory. Any kind of advice you want to give to people that argue and fight, and to tell them how short life is and to love one another?
People that fight, you gotta stay strong, man. Don't fight. Fighting is bad for you.
Arguing and all that.
Yeah, arguing.
Anytime, anybody can go.
Welcome to LA's finest, reign supreme with the whole West Coast standing behind us. On top of our game, that's where you find us. Becoming world champions, our only assignment. The word victory, we underline it. Whether starting 5 or bench mile, we grinding. Fishing, controlling the ball down low, dish it off to the post. Tell me who working better than Paul Gasol, Larissa, Odom, freak 'em with the left hand. Driving to the hole, baby hook, blocking, not a chance. Find 'em down low, snatching anything that you bring to the hole. Boy, what you shooting for? And we ain't gotta speak on Kobe. All I got is 3 words for you: MVP, aka the Black Mamba. Send him to a trauma unit with Kobe fade away in school, a student.
Mama didn't raise no failure. Let's go hard and go home, I tell you. If you ever see blood, sweat, tears leaking out of me, then you can hear my heart scream and say, go Lakers, 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 go Lakers.
Can't forget about the bench mob, ready for whatever. Time to go hard. Whenever you hear the crowd scream, pass between the legs, Luke, do it by any means. All force ball team, far more control the tempo. Without a doubt, dish it off or go out of bounds to Shannon Brown. I dare y'all to match the energy of finger when he ball. We ain't scared of y'all. We don't attack the basket, we tear it off. Whenever Phil Jackson whistle in the car, let's take it back.
We're going to go ahead and ask Google in case you want to know what city and all that the helicopter crashed in. What city did the helicopter crash in with Kobe Bryant?
Calabasas. Here's a summary from usatoday.com. The helicopter crashed in Calabasas, a city of about 25,000 people in the Santa Monica Mountains about 30 miles northwest of downtown Los Angeles. Bryant played for the Los Angeles Lakers for 20 years.
Gosh, that's pretty sad. That was out there in LA, Southern California. Oh, well, it's going to be hard to say goodbye and know happened around 10 o'clock on Sunday. It said it was foggy. I don't know what there's going to be. Just keep your thoughts on him and prayers for this family, and watch the news. Don't listen to so many conspiracies or other things on YouTube that's going to be said or this and that, because you might want to know what's the malfunction of the helicopter, what made it crash. Was it really foggy conditions? I mean, the same kind of conditions that Richie Valens and Buddy Holly flew in. They weren't supposed to fly in. I mean, I want to know his wind speeds. I want to know everything. They're going to be doing investigations on this for the next month, so keep forward for that, and you guys just stay tuned. They're going to be telling you guys all kinds of stuff on the news. I'm going to play this song with Boyz II Men. It's so hard to say goodbye.
How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good time that made us laugh, outweigh them bad. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. If we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the pain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. And I'll take with me the memory to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard